Hello, I am Kakade Ramesh Machindra from Artsu Technical Campus, MBA department. So, I will today discuss your point. Subject name is Service Marketing and chapter name is Introduction to Service Marketing. So, point consumer behavior in services. Consumer behavior in services is the most important point in any organization, company, and banking sector, even personal life. Consumer behavior, mentality situation depend on the customer and shopkeeper. So, introduction, service sector are not actually a new thing. It has always been there in the market and has its own history. Okay, the importance of the growing service sector, which is adding to the development of the country, is new. Means service sector we always there since the early time, either in the from unorganized, okay, small and local activity. However, this small activity were never recognized as service sector because history has its own disadvantages. The problem was that practice, customs, and style is function were expected as the only way to operate and freedom. This create a problem in people's preparation which stop the growth of new opportunities to emergency in the market. So for marketing professional, it is very important to understand the customer behavior. If employee fail to understand it, they never create and delivery quality services that result in happy and loyal customer. Dealing is a most important. Customer is never any task. Customer is always the king of the market. That is most important point. Customer is always king of the market. Moreover, employee need to have the right neighbor of the customer. So, customer part of profit. Customer so that can delivery decide service to them. Thus, dealing with customer is not a new thing, but customer interaction is new, and many organization has considered this element of importance for successfully growth. Okay, so next, search and experience. Search and experience is the most important, that new idea generation, new customer, new consumer, and organization. So that is most important part of search and experience. Okay, so it is said that in order to judge customer behavior in regard to service, it is important to build a case effect relationship between the characteristic of the service and their effect. So on customer search, this is also known as evaluation of behavior of a customer. Okay, evaluate the product based on various factors. Justify the saying that goods basically involve two types of qualities, that is search quality and experience quality. Search quality and experience quality, it's the most important. Okay, search quality is sometimes that a customer searches for before buying the product. Okay, he may have certain thing is mind about the product which is wishes to buy, like a color, fit, quality, style, price, design, and hardness. Most important point. Then qualities can be looked for while buying product like furniture or jewelry. That is search and experience most important point. Okay, so next point is consumer decision making process. Consumer decision making process, that is most important part. Consumer decision, it's most important of your profit. Okay, so while purchasing any goods or services, customer actually go through a complex purchase process. Okay, this process has three major stages known as the pre-experience evaluation, consumer experience, and post evaluation experience. These separate stages are the further divided into sub stages as the below. So next one, stages in customer decision making and evaluation of service. So important point A, pre-experience evaluation. Pre-experience evaluation means consumer choice. That is, marketer are usually concerned over the through how customer choose in a certain product over other, and what is their decision making process which leads to the final purchase of the product. Okay, customer go through various stages in the phase like need recognition, information search, evaluation of alternative, and purchases. Okay, following this the explanation for each of the above mentioned section. So part of first one, need recognize. Need recognize means this is necessary process. Okay, the psychological needs, safety and security needs, social needs. So psychological needs means they are known as the basic or the survival needs like food, clothing, and shelter. Okay, safety and security need means this include shelter, security, and protection from any dangerous. Okay, so social need means these need are for friendship and among the others people. Okay, so social need. Next one, information search. What is meant by information search? Information search means once the customer recognize and self fulfillment experience. Okay, so he then tries again information the same. They start looking for other people feedback is the most important, and opinion, it is the most important, which they can study and decide whatever they can buy the product which they desire or can look for alternative. Information they be quick and relative automatic for small purchases and may extend to the formalized one is can of costly and big purchase. So people make use of both personal sources and non-personal sources for collection information. Personal sources can be expert and immediate friends, and non-personal source can be website, selective media, and mass communication, public communication. Seeking information actually involve confidence. That is, in buying also include the risk wrong purchases. Okay, so next one, evaluation of search alternative. Evaluation of search alternative means in today's cut competition, so there are lot of option available in the market to choose from. Customer have a wide variety of alternative and they have their one preference of selecting one product over the above. Okay, many times customer do not want to through process of the searching and evaluation the product, hence they usually go on the first opinion that is easily available of them. Evaluation and search alternatives more competition, one person to another person, one company to another company. For example, Colgate, Pepsodent, Bubble, that is competitor. Okay, so next one is service purchase. Service purchase means after following the above stages in a manner, customer finally make in the decision of purchasing the goods or services. The major difference between purchasing goods and purchasing service it that good can be felt before. So buying. For example, people try the product personally before buying similar one for actual assumption. This gives them the fair idea of what they will be buying. Awareness in service due to intangible characteristics people may not though extend product, so till they actually pay for the consumer it more part of payment, non better. Okay, so next one, consumer experience. Consumer experience means that is most important part of consumer experience. Due to various choice available the market and the qualities of goods. Okay, it difficult to make out what decision making process does a customer go through. It is actually customer experience that influence his further purchasing need and choice. Experience plays as important role in definite the decision making process of the customer. Means experience are various type like funny, good, short, existing, memorable and less depending upon the experience people make their future purchasing decision. Thus organization have realized the importance of customer behavior and making all the efforts to make their experience happy and memorable customer. So first one, service as process. Service as process means service are action also known as performance that are done for the customer. Service is process which involve various steps, activities and action. For example, in medical service, the first step is a patient interact with the psychological effect. The second step is follow the doctor and take the medicine. So other step might involve third parties like going on the lab for blood testing, etc. So service has the process. Then service provision as drama means service provision as drama means theater work as drama actually aim at giving a experience through performance. A lot of hard work is put in this type by carefully managing the actors and physical setting of their behavior at the backstage so they can performance their best on the stage and leave testing impress on the viewer mind. That is mindset is most important service provision as drama. Next one, service role and script. What is meant by service role and scripts? Role are actually guiding list which order person to behave in a particular manner. Like stages, play and drama have roles, even service delivery include the same. For example, an air hostage or a water is expected behave in certain way which their job demands for. Okay, it is the work of a hostage in restaurant to greet customer warmly, help and guide them the selecting the food items from the menu and surplace the booking. See that everyone and comfortable and that the enjoyable their dinner experience. Service employees need to behave according to customer expectation, otherwise they get frustration in dissatisfaction. So service role and scripts most important. Next one, the capability of service customer. What is meant by capability of service customer? It is the human tendency in a person of follow others. Thus the crowd present at a location influence a customer expectation immediately. So they why others behave the react about the service affect other people's mentally too. Customer can get immediately due to may reason like difference in like age, value, belief, experience, health and ability to pay can be certain to such as customer and promote their individual decision making process. However, they should also put effort to bring together the other lot, fulfill their needs as decide to the customer. Decide to the customer in most important point. So next one is customer co-production. Customer co-production means it many service customer participant is equally important. Without this, there will be no meaning, no the customer service being rendered. For the example, in educational institute training and counseling. Okay, a customer has to detective in the season bring top the best entire service. This customer co-production of equally importance to make customer service and successfully. That is customer co-production. Next, emotion and mood. That is most important point of emotion and mood. Means emotion and mood are the most important factors that play a major role in influencing the purchase decision of the customer. Okay, purchase decision of the customer. Service successfully, it is person stage of the mind while purchasing and that they decide the future decision. That is emotion and mood. That is customer satisfaction. Service is most important. So next point is post experience evaluation. Post experience evaluation means once the customer purchase and consumer a product, they from the post experience evaluation whatever they will come back the purchase the same again or no. Means it is only after they have experience they evaluate the quality and the product. Generally, a lot of attention is given to the pre-purchase evaluation and customer choice. However, post-purchase evaluation are required. That is the importance of the organization to understand and accept. They are the typically important to judge the customer and sequence behavior the repurchase of the product. So then point including the point word of mouth communication. Word of mouth communication means it is the most preferred option for many customer. People go by the word of mouth reference for any product or services. Thus, it is important of organization to create good experience so that customer can talk positively and give a good reference to the other. However, if the service is bad, it is very difficult for the company. Okay, to curb the negative talking that does around the amongst the people. That is word of mouth and communication. Next point is dissatisfaction. Dissatisfaction means when a customer is dissatisfied about the service, he may link the to the various sources. For example, if a customer goes to the salon, okay, for a specific haircut but is not satisfied by the same, then he may link it to many various factors like lack of skill on the hairstyle or give clear instruction on her part. So, as to at what style to want, most of the time they feel responsible and dissatisfaction service as the closely participant in almost the stages of service. So, service most important as a customer satisfaction. Provide the wrong service, so customer is definitely dissatisfied. Okay, next one, positive or negative base. What is meant by positive or negative base? Research says that is the human tendency to reminder or which negatively experience more than the positive ones. Thus, if there is good experience, people may not remember for a long time. However, if they have had bad the experience, then they will never forget the same. Similarly, negative rumors and spread an effective more essentially that the position opens. Rumors must is the negative part and good work is a positive part. So next one, brand loyalty. What is meant by brand loyalty? It is the brand loyalty as well as one of the customer part which decide is future buying decision. Okay, if a customer is completely satisfied with a particular brand, then he will stick to the forever no matter its participant availability completion also make extra efforts to return their loyal customer as the known as hard work involve the main one. That is most important part, brand and loyalty. So customer satisfaction is experience, service and search, most important part of the customer service. So thank you so much.